Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how you can copy elements in Photoshop easily. Just open any image and whatever you want to copy, any element you want to copy, you can select clone stem tool. The size of the tool you can increase. If you click here, you can see the size is 9 pixels. We can increase, see it has been increased, or the keyboard shortcut key like left bracket or right bracket you can use. Now press and hold Alt key on your keyboard and then click on the element which you want to copy. Press and hold Alt and click one time, then leave Alt key and now just drag it here. For example, see, so you can see how it can, and you can see like here the background was gray, so here it's showing gray. So sometimes you can use clone stem tool, like, and sometimes you can use also the tool is healing brush tool. Healing brush tool also, like, you can press and hold Alt key, and now if you make, so you can see it will make a copy of that bird, but this time you can see that the background is not like gray. So it's very easy to make a copy. For example, you want to copy like this one, so we can click here and see. So here we can use this method. So it's very easy. For example, you can see the background here and here is same, so I can use this one here, see. So like this we can create copies of the elements using clone stem tool and healing brush tool. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like the video and share the video with your friends.